Good morning, you are listening Shalini Singh, your news anchor from Lao Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 14th June from around the world. Google to invest 75,000 crore in India, says CEO Sundar Pichai. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday held a discussion with Google and Alphabet Chief Executive Sundar Pichai on a wide range of subjects. The Prime Minister also discussed the challenges of global pandemic and New York culture with the top business leader. Later in the day, Pichai addressed the 6th annual edition of Google for India virtual event and announced a decision fund. Google will invest 10 billion in India over the next 5 to 7 years, he added. CBSE 12th result 2020 declared on cbseresult.nic.in. No merit list due to COVID-19. The Central Board of Secondary Education on Monday declared the result for Class 12 examination 2020. As per CBSE, with 88.78% pass percentage this year for Class 12. The wait of over 12 lakh students is finally over as CBSE announces the Class 12 results on board official portal today, July 13, 2020. The Central Board of Secondary Education has made the CBSE Class 12 result 2020 available on its official website cbseresults.nic.in. Like previous year, the board has declared the Class 12 result for arts, commerce and science streams on the same day. Students can check their CBSE Class 12 result from the official website on the board. Coronavirus update. Punjab government completely bars all public gatherings. India's COVID-19 case load has crossed the 8.5 lakh mark. The rapid spread of the pandemic has the country's share in daily global cases rise to 12%. Late last night, actor Amitabh Bachchan's son Abhishek Bachchan tested positive for COVID-19 and were hospitalized. Their residence Jalsa has now been declared a containment zone. Rahul Priyanka in touch with pilot trying to placate him, according to sources. Top Congress leaders including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are in touch with Sachin Pilot and are trying to placate him. A day after the Rajasthan Deputy CM declared open rebellion against Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, sources said on Monday. Pilot has claimed that the Ashok Gehlot government is in minority and that has the support of over 30 MLAs in the 200-member assembly. How TikTok may be making changes to be more American, less Chinese. It was no secret that India was a huge market for ByteDance's own popular app TikTok. Ever since at the end of last month the Indian government banned the short video app, the company has been facing heat from other quarters as well. Reports have suggested how the US also has been considering a ban on TikTok. Similarly, it was reported that Amazon had banned employees, but the e-commerce giant backtracked on it. Coronavirus vaccine. Human trials of India's first coronavirus vaccine to begin. AIIMS Patna selected 18 volunteers for clinical trials. It has been more than 6 months since the outbreak of the novel coronavirus emerged in Wuhan, China, and the contagion has infected more than 12 million people across the world and claimed 571,660 lives. As of now, there are close to 155 vaccines and several stages of trials to combat the spread of the contagion virus, and 22 of them have reached the clinical trial stage. While we all know about the global foreigners in the race to develop the vaccine, including Moderna, CanSino, Invio, BioNTech, Pfizer, and AstraZeneca, back home AIIMS Patna is all set to begin human trials of India's first coronavirus vaccine. I, Shalini Singh, will come with you tomorrow with latest updated news. Stay tuned with us. Thank you. Have a great day.